I had some friends over and we had a few drinks.
That's fantastic.
I hung out in my basement. The chill zone is where we chillax, like relax and at once. And we got to hang around adults, which was a nice change of pace. You know, you converse, you talk to people, and
Look at this right now.
I'm feeling crazy. I said that.
You got in.
We got right in.
You wanna do this? White monkey?
Fuck you.
Then we called it a night. We were all just really exhausted.
Oh, the fuck?
Gangsters, what's up, guys? And Nicola was right in front of me. She was wearing these tight white pants with this black G-string, and you could see right through the pants, man. It was so sweet. It's 10:33. Here. I told her what time it was. Yeah, Seth. I'm really gonna miss your knee slappers when me and Evan are at Dartmouth. What are you guys doing tonight, asshole? No? Well, if nothing comes up, we can get shit-faced again, yeah? I mean, you always call me at lunch. I'm going to the same place Mike Snyder went to pick up my brand new fake ID. Chica, yeah, fake ID, outside. Yeah, I'm sure I'll buy the booze. Yeah, man, we're gonna get our drinks on and we're gonna party and get crunk and rock out, dude.
If you're not in this class, leave this class. Fogell!
Okay,
Well done, man. Seriously. See you after class. All right, that's good. It's hard to trace, I guess. Wait, you changed your name to...
They let you pick any name you want when you get down there. Yeah, I was between that and Muhammad. Muhammad is the most commonly used name on Earth. Read a fucking book for once.
Fogell.
Fuck you.
Give me that. On this picture, number 1. Number 2, it doesn't even have a first name. It just says McLovin.
What? What name?
Listen up, ass face. Every day, hundreds of kids go into the liquor store with their fake IDs, and every single one says they're 21. Just how many 21-year-olds do you think there are in this town? It's called fucking strategy, all right?
This guy's either gonna think, here's another kid with a fake ID.
I am McLovin.
No, you're not. No one's McLovin. McLovin's never existed because that's a made-up, dumb, fucking fairy tale name, you fuck!
Everybody come along. We gonna dance on the fun.
What the hell is that?
It's a fucking vest, dumbass.
No, it's just a vest.
There. If we get it now, we can get to the party.
No way, man. I work there. They know I'm not 25.
You really fucked me on this one. So now...
I promise you, I'll get the liquor later. Mike Snyder's ID always works. So mine, man. And I've got,
Shut
like,
the fuck
3
up, man.
lava-
He's gonna hear you. Just be quiet. Wait until he goes away.
You still haven't told him that we're rooming together?
Fogell, shut the fuck up. And take off your vest. You look like Aladdin.
Okay. You got it.
They never teach you in school. Are you man enough? Big and bad enough? Are you gonna let them shoot you down?
Ouzo, bourbon, spiced rum, gold slick, raspberry vodka, scotch.
Oh.
This is a lot of stuff, man. I don't know if I can get away with all this.
Okay?
No, man. I should have worn the vest. What if I go in there and they turn me down, man?
Then we're in the same exact place that we're in right now.
Who cares?
It's fucking humiliating. Everybody in the store sees him kicking me out. What if they make me put the liquor back on the shelf? I can't do that.
Oh my God.
What if I don't feel like it anymore, Seth? What?
I'll get a knife and stab you through your fucking heart.
No, you can do this, man. Come on.
Killing me won't get you alcohol, jerk off. I'm the one with the fake ID.
Oh, fucking face off.
Oh, really? You don't have the technology or the steady hands to pull off a procedure like that, so ha! No. No problem whatsoever.
On the floor.
No. And you should really clean this up. Someone could really hurt themselves. Hello, Mindy. You know, I heard they recently decided to add more hops to it. Really? Makes me feel young again.
okay? Your total is $96.59.
Ow, what the shit was that?
How did this happen, Evan?
Look, okay? He assaulted the customer. God damn it. This is bullshit.
How'd you know? You're the one that got punched.
Yeah.
Okay.
My name. It's McLovin. technically I don't have a first name, so don't worry about my first name.
So it's just McLovin?
Yeah.
Really
It's a
cool.
badass name.
Yeah.
What?
Rafe Pax.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Old enough. It's a party. What?
I say it weekly, and it's still funny.
It still makes me laugh.
Really
Yeah.
funny.
I'm sorry, guys. I don't really have any information. He just kind of hit me, and I didn't really see what he looked like. Yeah, kind of had to catch that bus.
Yeah.
No,
Well,
you
your
don't have to
information on the way. We'll take you.
No problem.
Officers. I can answer those questions now if you want me to.
We get the gist of it.
But it was only one guy.
Only one guy. Shit.
When I first joined the force, I assumed that doesn't exist.
It'd be nice. Like story of my life.
Oh.
He's young, but the force is strong with this one.
We have a 245 at East.
Amazing thinking.
Hey, McLovin.
Actually, I kind of have to be somewhere like.
McLovin, stop him! You would do it!
Please stop me, you fucking McLovin! Came back. I took him down.
I'm buying you a beer, McLovin! That's right! McLovin in the fucking house!
Yeah, McLovin, I'd like to buy some. Rewind.
She was amazing. And then it was exactly 23 months later they found out that she was bad. Fucking boring bitch. And she is wonderful. Yeah.
You'll meet her. How's it going with the ladies?
Yeah.
It's not the going with the ladies I care about. It's the coming.
That's funny. We should get some road beers, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, we should get some road beers.
I feel hammered. That doesn't make any sense. See if you can do it.
Do it, buddy. Come on, buddy. Bring it.
.08, boy.
That's my boy.
So, what's it like to have guns?
It is awesome, McLovin. I mean,
great.
like, it's mind-blowing. I haven't had one for long, only a few months, but
Can I hold one?
What?
Can I hold one of your guns?
Have a blast.
have a blast.
Never held one of these before.
I'm telling you right now, you cannot shoot.
There's only one way to settle this, guys.
You fucking pussy.
Cheating.
Suck on the nuts, later!
Dude, that was a lucky shot. Hey, get down. All right.
You're fucking living the dream, Michael!
Hey, did she say we're gonna get to like shoot somebody or something?
Oh, God, I wish.
Yeah, man. Show these fuckers how we roll.
Are the numbers on your side odd or even?
I don't know. It's too dark to see.
You like it? How you like it?
Hey,
You
fuck
like
off.
it?
That
Hey,
hurt.
come on.
Okay.
Here, McLovin, have a cigarette. No? Suck it in, my friend. Suck it long and deep. Enjoy it. You like Officer Slater and myself?
Yeah. You guys are awesome.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's fine.
Good.
Hold on, I gotta get all the food. Dad, what up?
Should I run?
Yes!
Hey!
Know this guy? Hey, give me back the fuck up, man, or I'll beat the shit out of you.
I'm McLovin. Woo! Why do you guys have detergent?
Fogell, I don't understand why you were smoking cigarettes with those cops.
Because I fucking rule. Oh, we're so gonna get laid tonight.
I am. I'm gonna get laid.
We're finally gonna get our drinks on. Chicken, yeah. Oh, Seth, me and Evan are rooming together next year at college. God, Fogell's rooming with Evan. Jeez, why don't you go cry about it?
Give me that booze, faggot.
We never should have had to hide our arrangement. Fogell. Seth.
McLovin. I've never been with an older guy before.
Well, it's way better. I got a boner.
Do you have a condom?
Yes. And lube. It's in. Oh my God, it's in.
What the fuck?
Officer Slater, is that you?
You ran away from us. Why'd you run away from us? Michael, get up here.
I didn't run away.
What the fuck?
I didn't run away from you guys.
Why would you do that?
Oh, disoriented from the crash.
No. That young girl? You just...
No. Yeah, I was, but I'm not even.
Calm down. Contain yourself.
We're friends.
Shut up.
Wait, what are you guys doing? No, please, I can't go to jail, please. I can't go to jail.
No, look. We're really sorry, McLovin.
I missed you guys.
I just wish we could make it up to you somehow, man.
Well, do you think you can do me a really big favor?
What is it? Anything. Name it.
Get off me, you fucking cops! Get your hands off me! Do you know who I am? I'm Fogell! The joint can't hold me!
Holy shit, Fogell's a badass.
I'm gonna break your glasses, you fucking cop! You can't hold me!
Fucking pigs!
You crazy!
This kid's crazy. He's nuts. Well, we caught the infamous Fogell.
Get your head. Wait for me, Nicola! Wait for me on the outside!
Man, that's gonna get you so much ass.
Seriously?
I think I know what to do about the car.
Sweet.
Saying that as we stopped you from being mugged, didn't that?
Of course, I owe you guys my life.
Let's do this dance, boys! Make the badge proud, Slater. Slater!
Hurry.
I'm good. I'm out.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we won!
Break yourself, fool! Tight.